Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here by Yalblee. And today is my day I get to use this. Because look, I have this nut that I'm trying to use that came with this one here. And you can see I can kind of sort of get it going, but then it won't turn because if you look inside of it, it's all chopped up. I don't know what happened. I think somebody tried to put it in the wrong size screw hole. But I have here, this thing here, it's the thread chaser set. So check out this here. It's got all the different sizes here. It's got the SAE side here and metric side here. I've got some bigger ones here. And then we can do the nuts, and we have the ability to do the bolts as well. So I'll show you guys what we got here. So this goes in here, and you'll see it'll kind of get stuck, I guess, where the other one got stuck. And then I just take something, that side's too big, and I'm gonna run it through there, and it's gonna rebuild those threads inside of it. Look at, man, that was pretty easy to turn. Okay, so now it should be, now I ran it through, and let's see how it did. I could probably take this. Yeah, they look better. So let's see now how this bolt will go. Oh my gosh, look at that. I can just screw it by hand. It's a little bit, I guess, rusty on the bolt, but I think we're already through. So yeah, so that's gonna work. So how cool is that? So now we fixed up this little bolt, and I'll show you guys it up close here just so you can see what I'm talking about. Inside of here, you can kind of see it's a little bit shiny because that's probably where it ground it down to make it work. So how cool is that? So I can do it that way. And then if I was trying to fix a bolt, like this one here is a little rusted, I could go and find the right size. Which was that? That was 3/8. So I can find a 3/8, if there is one of these here. 3/8, this, I guess this here. And I would be able to do it the other way around too. So I could bolt this into my vise if I was trying to do this one here. And then I don't know if this is gonna be the right size. Oh, it actually happens to be the right size. Well, if I bolted it in strong. And then I can just go around here, and this will fix the threads on the bolt as well. So now, after I do this a little bit, look at how clean and shiny those are coming out. So now I have, so that'll come out nice and come off nice and easy. This one here. Oops, I didn't pick the best wrench. Okay, should have done a socket, but okay. But there we go, I can do it by hand. But now that I've done that, now this should just fit super easy on there, and it does. So yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like too. So you can see it made that, look at the ends. So you can see the ends that I've already done are nice and clean, and this one here, nice and clean. So now we have a good fitting set. So I took a junky old one, made it new again. Thumbs up for sure.